to the Big Y channel.
Have you ever wondered what makes things go? What makes a car zoom? What makes a light bulb glow? What makes you jump? The answer is energy. You can't see it, but it's everywhere. It's the invisible power that makes everything happen. Today, we're going on an adventure to find the different types of energy. First, meet kinetic energy. Kinetic means motion. If it's moving, it has kinetic energy. When the ball moves, it's using kinetic energy. Let's look for more. A bird flying, wind blowing, and a river flowing, all kinetic energy. Can you spin your arms like a windmill? Go faster. That's your kinetic energy in action. But what about when things are still? Do they have energy? Yes, this is potential energy. It's stored energy, waiting for its turn to move. Think of a stretched rubber band. It's storing potential energy. When it lets go, zoom, it turns into kinetic energy. Or a roller coaster climbing up. Clink, clink, clink. At the top, it has lots of potential energy. Ready to drop. 3, 2, 1, we. Energy isn't just about moving. There are other kinds too. Light energy helps us see. Do you hear that? That's sound energy. It travels in invisible waves to your ears. Clap your hands. You just made sound energy. And this candle? It has heat energy. The sun, fire, and even your own body create heat energy. Here is the magic secret. Energy never disappears. It just changes its costume. This is called energy transformation. The battery's stored energy turns into electricity, which turns into light. It's like a relay race. When you eat food, your body takes the chemical energy from the apple and turns it into kinetic energy so you can run and play. You are an energy-changing machine. So, remember, energy makes the world go round. It can be moving, stored, light, sound, or heat. And it's always changing forms. Now it's your turn. Look around your room. Can you find something with kinetic energy? Can you find something with potential energy? Thanks for exploring with us.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like more videos like this, please subscribe. We're so happy to learn with you. That's it for today, explorers. Keep asking big questions, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye, and stay curious.